Are you a chocolate lover looking for quick and delightful dessert ideas? You've landed in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to whip up 5-minute chocolate desserts that are not only easy to make, but also irresistibly delicious. Whether you're hosting a last-minute gathering or simply craving something sweet, these recipes will satisfy your chocolate cravings in no time. What you'll discover in this video: 1. Quick and easy recipes. Get ready to learn how to create mouth-watering chocolate desserts in just 5 minutes. We'll guide you step by step through each recipe, ensuring you achieve the perfect dessert every time. Essential ingredients. We'll provide a comprehensive list of ingredients needed for each dessert. From rich dark chocolate to creamy whipped toppings, you'll have everything you need to impress your friends and family. 3. Fun crafting techniques. Enjoy our creative twists on classic desserts. We'll show you how to use common kitchen tools to elevate your chocolate creations, making them look as good as they taste. Key points covered. Chocolate mug cake. Learn how to make a fluffy chocolate mug cake that's ready in minutes. Perfect for when you want a warm, gooey treat. Chocolate-dipped fruits. Discover the simplicity of dipping strawberries and bananas in melted chocolate for a healthy yet indulgent snack. Chocolate pudding cups. We'll share our secret to creating a creamy, velvety chocolate pudding that you can prepare in just 5 minutes. No-bake chocolate truffles. Impress your guests with these rich and decadent truffles that require no baking and can be customized with your favorite toppings. Benefits of watching. Save time. Learn how to make delicious desserts without spending hours in the kitchen. Impress your guests. With these quick recipes, you'll be the star of any gathering, showcasing your culinary skills with minimal effort. Satisfy your sweet tooth. Indulge in your chocolate cravings without the guilt of lengthy preparation times. Join the chocolate revolution. Are you ready to dive into the world of quick chocolate desserts? Hit that play button and follow along with our simple recipes that promise to satisfy your sweet tooth in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our delicious creations. We want to hear from you. After watching, let us know which dessert you can't wait to try in the comments below. Share your own quick dessert ideas or any variations you come up with. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!